time for everything, right?
Hey, my lovely fans! Welcome back to Quiz Slice. Today we're jumping into the Bad Guys 2 with some spot differences challenge, 2 images, 10 seconds each round. Keep your eyes focused, shout out your toughest find in the comments, and let's roll into the game. You're ready? Let's get going. Let's get started with the first one. Spot out the differences between these 2 images. You got it right. Great start. Next up, which one is the real Diane? Splendid work. The right answer is A. Back to action. Can you spot the differences in these? Bam, bam, and bam. There they are. How about this one? Where are those differences? Too easy, isn't it? Which character does this silhouette belong to? Bingo! It's C. It belongs to Mr. Shark. Let's get harder. Try to find these differences. Here they are. Did you get all of them? Another one? Can you spot all of the differences? Here they are. Did you get all of them? Can you take out the odd one within these? Woohoo! That's a sharp eye you got there. This one's quite a task. Oh, there they are. I got 2. How about you? Would you rather like and subscribe to Quiz Slice or never watch the Bad Guys again? Back to action. Spot the 3 differences between these pictures. Excellent work. You got it, pals. Seems like Mr. Snake lost his eyes. Can you find the correct eyes for him? That's right, my friend. You're now in the hardest stage. Try to spot all the differences in this one. You got it, Sherlock. Pick up your favorite character. Is it Miss Tarantula, Mr. Piranha, or Mr. Wolf? Don't forget to comment on your favorite character below. Think outside the box. Where do you think those differences can be? I don't think I would get this one. Do you remember the name of this character right here? Oof! That's Marmalade. You sure are a true fan. Finish it off. Can you spot the three differences here? They're there. Remember to comment how many you got down below. Would you rather watch Season 1 of The Bad Guys or prefer Season 2 more? Like if the first season is your favorite, and subscribe if you love the second one. Can you find Diane in this picture? Good job, Hotshot. There she is. How do you rate The Bad Guys 2? Is it marvelous, awesome, good, or it's just bad, even trash? Don't forget to comment your thoughts below. Can you spot the odd one out? This one is odd from the rest. Can you spot three differences between these pictures? These are the three differences. Where is Ms. Tarantula's mouth? Take a close look. This one's tricky. Yeah, her mouth is real creepy, but cool, right? Only 0.001% of players can pass this one. Tap the screen to stop Mr. Wolf's eyes at the right moment. Don't blink. Time's up. It's super hard. Are you in the top 0.001% of the best? Eyes of an eagle. You finished it flawlessly. Go ahead and share your total finds below. If you enjoyed the game, like the video and subscribe to Quiz Slice for fresh quizzes every day. Until then, stay safe.